If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you.
Hey everybody, it's Tamika. Today I'm going to sublimate on Dollar Tree pillowcases. I've never done this before, but I've seen videos of where you can do it. Now I picked up a pack of pillowcases. It's a pack of 2, 100% polyester. I like this better than I like the satin brand, which is what most people do. If this doesn't work out, I will definitely do this one. But I like the plain polyester soft cotton look. Also, I'm using from the Dollar Tree some satin grosgrain ribbon. I'm using some pom-pom trim from my stash, and also I got this on 70% clearance at Joann's when it did like the Christmas stuff. And this is like a buffalo check ribbon. So I'm trying to make my pillows are going to be black and white. It's a one red heart. And to just to add a little pizzazz, a little juju, I'm going to add some pom-pom trim and some of this grosgrain, some of this plaid buffalo check ribbon. My pillows are going to be 14 by 14 square, so I'm going to cut these down a little bit. So we shall see. I'm going to open these up. I'm going to use my HTV heat press. It was on sale at the Amazon sale, Prime Day, so I know there's still some discounts that you can get if you want it. I'll link it down below in the description box. So again, I've never seen these pillowcases, but they are nice. They are nice and huge pillowcases, and I like the fabric. I don't like the shiny as much, but I like this. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've gone ahead and printed out my sublimation paper. I'm using sublimation paper from HTV, and I've gone ahead and printed out my sayings on this. I checked out Amazon and I did like a Google search on like college funny phrase pillows, because she likes pillows. She likes throw pillows to be like decorative, a decorative element in her room. And I saw this pillowcase. It was $29 and some change. And I was like, really? It's a case, but you do get the stuffing. Plus shipping. And I was like, no, I can do that at home. And then I saw another one on Amazon, and I think it was this one. I'm not sure, but it was either one. One of them was $11.99. Plus if you don't have Amazon Prime, plus shipping. So I was like, no, we're going to do this at home with my sublimation printer and my sublimation paper and a $1.25 Dollar Tree polyester pillowcase. Let's go. So I have my 10 by 10 heat press video. I did a video on this little applique here and some other stuff. So if you're interested, you can check that out on my channel. This is the HTV 10 by 10 heat press. All right, I plugged it up. I'm going to change the settings to 385, and it's 45 to 60 seconds. So I'm going to stick my base on so it doesn't get hot, even though I have a protective pad on my surface. I'm going to let that warm up, and then I'm going to press out my pillowcase so that it's nice and fresh for the design. My sewing machine is prepped with black thread, so I'm going to take this buffalo check ribbon, and I have a lot of it, and I'm just going to fold it up just like this, just to make little pleats on here. And I'm going to try to fold enough to go around the perimeter of the pillow. I believe I have enough of this trim to do so that it can add a little pizzazz to the top of the pillow. This is double wired, so it's wired on the top and on the bottom. So it should provide enough stability to go around the pillow once I sew it in. All right, I think I pleated enough of the trim to go around. And I know you guys may say you could use a pleat foot, but I wanted I wanted to do it because it makes it feel more personal. But 2, the pleats on the pleat trim are much smaller, and I didn't want them that tiny. So I think this is enough, and I'm going to leave it on the roll just in case. And as for the grosgrain ribbon, I'm going to make some bows with this. So all I'm going to do is literally make some bows, and then I'm going to put them on the corners of the pillows. Just like that. Some cute little bows. And I'm going to try to make 8. That was perfect because this is all I have left of that Dollar Tree ribbon. It's this little tag. And I got out 8 bows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, that worked out well. We'll put that off to the side. My heat press has timed, so it's ready to go. And these pillowcases, this I didn't mention this earlier, but it comes in a pack of 2. And I will be cutting this down. 1, because I don't have enough fluff. So I'm going to cut these down to be about 14 inches. We're going to go ahead and just iron this section out. Nice and pressed. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. So I'm going to grab one of my sheets here. I'm going to center it. Switch over. That should be good. I'm going to add a Teflon sheet to the top. And I'm going to press for 385 for 60 seconds. All right, time's up. Take it off. Teflon. And here we go. It looks beautiful. And there's nothing on the back. Didn't bleed through. So there we go. Be safe. Have fun. Don't do stupid stuff. Love, mom and dad. So I'm going to go ahead and press the other one before I continue with the next step. This one's done. Before you go to sleep, call your mom. Okay, so we have that. And I'm going to cut this down to 14 inches. Okay, so I cut my little pillow down to where I want it. This is what it looks like. I'll turn it this way. So I'll have all of this fluffed in the middle. So this is the top sheet. And what I want to do is go ahead and fold over a 1/4 inch or a tiny bit, just enough to get you to fold this over. I'm going to take my heat press and make this a permanent fold. And I'm going to do that all the way around. That's all pressed. The corners look nice and neat. So I'm going to do the same thing for the back side of this pillow. Just going to kind of measure where this goes a little bit. I'm going to start in this upper corner. I got my pins. This is easier for me to do it this way. You may find another way to do it better. And I'm just going to take both of these corners, line it up with the bottom. I'm going to use this stripe as a line, as a guide. And then making sure that my edges are folded over and they match. And I'm just going to pin it. Let me show. Oops, I am out of frame. So let me show you really quickly. So I have the front of the pillow. Lined up with like this plaid line of how much I want to leave out. And then I have the back of the pillow the same. Match that up. And then I'm going to add a pin to hold everything together. So you should have 3 layers on there like that. And I'm going to do that all the way around. You do want to make sure that you have your crease folded over so you can have a nice crisp edge. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch around all the perimeter of this and I'll be back to stuff it. Okay, that's all done. I think it turned out super cute. Look at it. It's so pretty. The bottom one is still open. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff it now. I like to tear my stuffing up instead of just putting it in as a clump and then fluffing it once it's inside the pillow. That's just how I do it, but feel free to do what you feel is most comfortable for you. Okay, my pillow is stuffed, so now I'm going to close up my ends, and we've already folded over our edges, so it'll be a clean finish. Let's go ahead and put these in with my pins and close it up. Okay, so everything is all done. Almost everything. All I have to do is stitch the bows on there. They're just attached with straight pins because I don't have my needle down here. And then this is the other one. So cute. I love the bows aspect. Super cute. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.